Almost every one of us struggles with repetitive tasks that drain time and resources. But what if you could automate these tasks in minutes without needing technical skills? Right now, only 15% of people in companies using AI are fully leveraging its potential. Businesses are either spending too much time or money, or worse, missing out entirely. Today, we'll introduce VectorShift, a no-code AI platform transforming how we automate workflows. By the end, you'll know how to streamline your operations instantly, saving time and cutting resources. And if you're interested in trying it out yourself, a direct link will be available at the top of the video description. Let's dive in. What is no-code AI? AI has long been seen as something reserved for big companies with large technical teams. But no-code AI platforms like VectorShift are changing the game. They allow anyone, from business owners to solo entrepreneurs, to leverage the power of AI without writing a single line of code. So how exactly does this work? You don't need any programming knowledge because everything is done through drag-and-drop tools. Think of it like putting together a puzzle. Each piece represents a step in your workflow, and when combined, they create a fully functional AI-powered solution. This makes AI accessible to everyone. Whether you're looking to build a chatbot for customer service, automate data processing, or even manage large volumes of information, VectorShift offers all the tools you need in one intuitive platform. But here's the question: is it really as powerful as it sounds? Let's break down the features. Centralized knowledge base. One of the most intuitive features of VectorShift is its knowledge base. Normally, your data is spread across multiple platforms: Google Drive, OneDrive, Notion, and more. The knowledge base allows you to centralize all your data in one place, making it easier to manage and use. But there's more. VectorShift goes beyond just storing your data. It optimizes your data for AI use, meaning it's capable of converting unstructured data like tables into formats that AI can easily process. It even applies advanced techniques like OCR, optical character recognition, to extract valuable information from images, graphs, and documents. When your AI queries this data, the system ensures that the most relevant and accurate data is retrieved. This is done through sophisticated metadata analysis, which takes into account dozens of indicators to find the best data for your specific query. For example, in a customer service scenario, if your team needs to access updated product manuals or invoices, VectorShift's knowledge base pulls the most current versions in real time. The system saves time and reduces the possibility of human error, which is often common when working with outdated files across multiple storage platforms. But is it perfect? Well, while centralizing data definitely makes workflows more efficient, the system's performance still heavily relies on how well organized and clean your data is. So, a bit of upfront work on your data management can go a long way. No-code pipelines. The next feature we're going to discuss is pipelines, the heart of VectorShift's automation capabilities. Pipelines allow you to create automated workflows without needing to write any code. Simply drag and drop different components, such as input-output nodes, file loaders, and language models into place, and you have an AI-powered system ready to go. Think of it like creating a to-do list for your AI. For example, you might want to automate customer service by setting up a pipeline that takes incoming emails, processes them, and responds to queries using AI-driven responses. Or you could automate a more complex task like data analysis, with each step in the pipeline collecting, processing, and delivering insights. What makes pipelines so powerful is how easy they are to set up. This feature really opens the door to AI automation for non-technical users. You could run multiple workflows simultaneously, such as handling customer requests, processing inventory updates, and running sales data analysis, all without hiring developers or spending weeks setting it up. However, one downside is that more complex workflows might still require some technical expertise, especially if you want custom operations that go beyond the basic drag-and-drop functionalities. Fortunately, for those who need it, VectorShift also offers a Python SDK, which allows users to incorporate custom code into their workflows. Chat interface. Let's move on to chatbot integration, another game-changing feature. Chatbots have become essential for businesses, handling customer inquiries 24/7 without human intervention. With VectorShift, you can create and deploy a chatbot with just a few clicks, no coding needed. The chatbot is connected to your knowledge base, meaning it can pull up real-time data, documents, and even past customer interactions. For instance, if a customer asks about the status of a project, the chatbot can instantly retrieve the relevant document and provide an accurate answer. Imagine you're running an e-commerce store and a customer asks for the status of their shipment. Instead of having someone manually look up the order, the chatbot can pull the latest information from your knowledge base and provide an answer in real time. That's a huge time saver for businesses with high customer interaction volumes. But the real power of this feature lies in its versatility. VectorShift allows you to deploy your chatbot via multiple channels, whether it's your website, Slack, WhatsApp, or even SMS. This gives you the flexibility to offer personalized, real-time support no matter where your customers are. One limitation, however, is that while the chatbot handles basic queries brilliantly, more complex or nuanced conversations might still require human intervention. So, while automation reduces the workload, a human touch is still needed for more intricate issues. Before we move on, we'd like to mention that this video is a sponsored collaboration between AI Uncovered and VectorShift. We've kept the review unbiased, aiming to provide an informative and transparent overview of the platform's features. Let's move on to the next feature. Custom search interfaces. Another standout feature is VectorShift's custom search interfaces. We all know how frustrating it can be to dig through databases or systems trying to find that one piece of information. VectorShift solves this by allowing you to build custom search engines tailored to your needs. Whether you're searching through contacts, research reports, or project files, this feature ensures that you always have access to the most relevant data. It does this by integrating directly with the knowledge base, pulling up the most accurate and up-to-date information. For businesses dealing with large amounts of data, this is a massive time saver. Instead of manually sifting through documents, you can get exactly what you need in just a few clicks. This feature is especially useful for industries like law firms, research institutions, or large corporate teams where finding specific information quickly is crucial. As with most AI-driven systems, the quality of your results depends on how well your data is structured and tagged. But when used effectively, this feature dramatically improves search accuracy and speed. Form integration. Let's talk about form integration. Forms are crucial for collecting information, whether it's customer feedback, survey data, or user inputs. With VectorShift, you can embed custom forms directly into your workflows. Once a form is submitted, it can automatically trigger actions within your pipeline. For example, customer feedback collected through a form can be processed immediately, generating reports or triggering follow-up actions, all without manual intervention. For instance, if you're running a marketing campaign and want to gather customer responses, the data from the form can instantly trigger a sequence that categorizes responses, sends personalized thank you emails, and updates your CRM. All of this happens without lifting a finger. This feature eliminates the need for manual data entry and ensures that everything stays centralized in your workflow. However, one challenge is ensuring that forms are designed properly to gather the most useful data. If the form design is poor, the automation won't be as effective. Evaluation and advanced analytics. Finally, let's dive into evaluation and analytics. Once your workflows are up and running, it's important to monitor their performance. VectorShift includes tools that let you compare the performance of different AI models like GPT-4 or Anthropic so you can see which one works best for your needs. But the real power lies in real-time analytics. You can monitor how your workflows are performing on the go, adjusting and optimizing them as needed. This is especially valuable for continuous improvement, whether you're trying to optimize for speed, accuracy, or overall performance. For instance, you might want to track how your chatbot is handling customer queries. Are customers satisfied with the responses? Is the system handling queries efficiently? The analytics can give you these insights, allowing you to tweak the system for maximum effectiveness. However, while these tools provide great insights, you need to actively engage with the data to make meaningful improvements. This isn't a set-it-and-forget-it system. Optimization requires ongoing attention. VectorShift has made automation accessible for everyone, allowing businesses to centralize their data, automate tasks, and deploy powerful AI solutions without writing a single line of code. From customer support chatbots to data processing pipelines, this platform offers a wide range of features that can transform the way you operate. If you're ready to see how VectorShift can revolutionize your workflows, Go ahead and click the link in the description to try it out for yourself. And as always, we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. What would you automate first with no-code AI? Let us know, and don't forget to check the next video on your screen for more interesting topics. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.